Hello everyone. Okay, we're going to learn Unit 4.3 Part 2 now, expansion of linear expressions, but this time we're also going to learn how to simplify after we explain. Okay, so refer to your textbook 1A, page 123. Let's go. So how do we expand and then simplify this expression? Let's look. Okay, so there's negative 2 multiplied by 2a minus 3c over here. So let's use the multiplication frame. Okay, so the one inside the brackets, 2a minus 3c, okay, over here, we are going to put it over here. And the one outside the bracket, negative 2, we are going to put it over here. Alright, so now let's multiply. Okay, don't forget the rules. Negative 2 times positive 2. Okay, check the coefficient here. Positive 2. So we will have this. The answer will be negative, guys. Negative 2 times positive 2 will be negative 4a. Okay. Now what about the other one? Negative 2 times negative 3c. Okay, negative times negative. It will be positive. The result will be positive 6c. So we're going to put it down as a result of this expansion. But do not forget the 5a. Okay, you inherit from the previous line. So you bring it down. Okay, so now we see which are the like terms. Okay, we have negative 4a plus 5a. They are like terms. So what do? We group them. Okay, we group the like terms. So what do we have? Negative 4a plus 5a. Then what do we do with the plus 6c? We put it on its own. Alright, so now we are going to simplify the like terms. Now, how do we simplify the like terms? We're just going to have to worry about the coefficient. Okay, negative 4 plus 5. So you can key in your calculator minus 4 plus 5 and you will get 1, right? So we put the answer as A because 1A is A, alright? Then what do we do with the plus 6C? We bring it down because we cannot simplify anymore after this. A plus 6C, that's the final answer because they are unlike terms. We can't simplify them any further. Okay, let's go to the next question. Okay, how to expand and simplify this expression? We've got 3c plus c bracket 5a plus 4. Okay, so sometimes the number outside the bracket may not be a number. It may be a letter like this, c. Okay, so let's use the multiplication frame again. Okay, again, the one inside the bracket, I'm going to put it over here. And the c, I'll put it over here. Let's multiply, guys. Again, don't forget the rules. Since they are all positive numbers here, positive c, positive 5a, positive 4, we don't have to worry so much. The results will always be positive over here. So let's go. So what do we get when we multiply c with 5a? We get 5ac. And what do we get when we multiply c with plus 4? We get plus 4c. Okay, so we're going to transfer to the expression over here. The 3c will remain. And this one, we will write down what we have gotten over here. Okay, so don't forget what is the sign in front of the 5ac. Since it's a positive, it will be a plus. So we'll put plus 5ac plus 4c. Okay, so now look. Do you notice any terms that are like? You would see that the 3c and the 4c are actually like terms. So we group them together. Okay, so the 5ac, we'll put it at the back. Okay, again, we are going to simplify by taking the coefficient. This is plus 3 plus 4. We will get plus 7c, positive 7c. We don't put the plus there because understood, yeah, positive 7c. And we have the plus 5ac here. Can we simplify it further? Can we combine them? No, because they are unlike terms. This term has only a c, while this term has ac. They are not like terms, okay, because they have different variables. Okay, one is c, the other one is ac. They are not the same, so we cannot plus them together. Okay. Okay, now let's give you a little bit more a harder question. Let's try. This time we have two brackets in this expression. So what do? We simplify them, we expand them one by one. Okay, let's go. Let's do the first one first. Okay, we have P plus 5R and the number 3 here. So let's multiply them. Okay, one by one, guys. You all know the rules, huh? These are all positive numbers here, so we don't have to worry so much. We have 3 times P, we'll get 3P. We'll have 3 times 5R, we'll get 15R and positive. Okay, the other one, guys. We have 2R minus P times negative 4 outside. Again, we'll use the multiplication frame. Okay, oops, sorry, we're gonna write this down first. Okay, 3P plus 15R. Okay, from here. Alright, now we do the other one, the other bracket. Okay, 2R minus P inside the bracket, negative 4 outside the bracket, and we're going to multiply. Don't forget the rules, guys, especially because there's a negative sign here and negative sign here. Okay, so let's go. Negative 4 times positive 2. Negative times positive is a negative. So negative 8R, negative 4 times negative P. Negative times negative will be a positive 4P. Okay, so transfer this into the expression. So minus 8R plus 4P there. Okay, so now if you study this line, can you see which terms are the like terms? And if you guessed it as this one, 3P and 4P, you are absolutely correct. And then the R, and yes. So after we group the like terms, we can simplify them. Okay, so we take the coefficient 3 plus 4P. We can use calculator. 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, then we have plus 15 minus 8. Use your calculator. We get also a positive 7R. Okay, so again, because the variables are different, all right, we cannot plus or minus them. Okay, all right, so that's it. Now go and try some quiz or practice some questions inside the textbook to check your understanding. Thank you, everybody.